Hey, this is Ryan Jones from Serverless Guru. In this video, we're going to be looking at Serverless Enterprise for doing a serverless login to kind of look at what our application is doing. So it said that we can use SLS login. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. Choose your username. We're going to say serverless-dev. Our application is called Serverless Tutorial. This says deploy a sample service to Serverless Tutorial. We've got the CLI installed already. So let's create a new sample service. I think we're okay. I think we've already got this stuff good. It says in your serverless.yaml file, include the tenant and app name. So this is something we don't have, so let's go ahead and add this in. We're going to say tenant. It didn't say that you need to add it underneath provider, so we're just going to add it underneath the service here. So now we've got tenant of serverless dev and the app name of serverless tutorial. And then it says log into the serverless framework enterprise dashboard from your serverless CLI, and then deploy the service, and then we can take a look at it. So let's do a SLS deploy. And I'm actually going to copy one of our other ones that we did already. So we're going to do this command, but instead of stage test, I'm going to use dev. And let's deploy it. So now what should happen, let's take a look. It looks like we don't have the plugin installed. --save dev. So what this is going to do, actually we don't have an npm project. So what we need to do is we need to go off track a little bit. First off, we need to be able to install node dependencies into our projects. We're going to do npm init. So this is going to create a package.json file. We can just hit enter a whole bunch of times. We'll get past the defaults. You can see the package.json opens up here. Now we're going to run npm install. And we're going to pass it save-dev. That's a dev dependency command. There's two types of ways that you can save Node.js dependencies. You can do --save, which is going to package it up, and that'll deploy it to AWS inside the package. We don't want that. We just want to have it locally. So in this case, we're going to do --save dev, and then we should have it here underneath the dev dependencies. So then let's add a section here called plugins, and we're going to say @serverless enterprise plugin, and see if this works. Let me add quotes around it, and we'll save the file, and then let's try to do SLS deploy one more time. Okay, so it looks like we've got some stuff deploying here. The core things that we had to do there is that we had to add this plugin. We can see that it had a safeguard result, so allowed regions, allowed runtimes, framework version, no wildcard IAM statements, require a CFN role. We don't actually have a CloudFormation role. Allowed stages, good. Require a dead letter queue. We don't have a dead letter queue on our Lambda function, but that's something that we can add. No secret environment variables, so that's good. And it kind of gives you more information on each one of these. That's awesome. And then it says, warned, function hello does not have a dead letter queue configured. So this ensures that all functions have a dead letter queue attached. A dead letter queue, it's like your trash can on your computer. So you have this trash down here, and when you throw stuff away, it doesn't permanently delete it. So for instance, let's say our Lambda function fails. Well, we don't want it to just throw it away, right? We want to keep some record that it was failing, and that's where a dead letter queue can come in. So we can actually set this up as well, but we'll save that for a different video. As you can see, everything's deployed. We've got all this stuff going. And at the very bottom, you see two more outputs here called Serverless Enterprise. This says publishing a service to the enterprise dashboard. And it says Serverless Enterprise successfully published your service to the enterprise dashboard. And then it gives us this link here. So let's go ahead and command click this and open it up.